Hi, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and today I want to show you how to make a fairy garden using one of our fairy garden kits. Now today I'm going to use the Pear Pueblo kit, but this would work just as well for any of the other kits on the website. So what I've done is I've got an inexpensive plastic planter from the garden centre. I've made sure it's got some drainage holes and then topped it up with a little bit of stones and gravel for more drainage, and then on top of that I've added some potting compost. It's February on Fairy Mountain here in Ireland, so I thought it'd be nice to do a spring themed fairy garden because lots of plants are starting to grow now, which is quite exciting. It's always my favourite time of the year in the garden. So I've got a nice selection here of bulbs and plants, so I'll show you what I've got with these lovely grape hyacinths. So I'm going to plant these just at the back here in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to add one of the main features, which is the large solar pear house that lights up at night, and it's got loads of cute details. So I'm going to just pop that on this side of the hyacinth. The other house that comes with the kit is the solar pear cottage. Again, it lights up, looks fantastic after dark. So this is just going to go on the other side just there. Next I'm going to add some more spring flowers, this time the lovely snowdrop. I think there's a nice space for it over here. Okay, now for a bit more spring colour, and you'll find these gorgeous primulas everywhere. They've got them in all the supermarkets and garden centres, and they come in a range of really lovely colours, so it's a nice way to add a pop of colour to your fairy garden. Okay, so I'm going to add my stream that comes with the fairy garden kit, and then I also have a nice bridge to cross over it. Now, one of my top tips for fairy gardening is the use of moss, which is brilliant for covering bare areas of earth. Now, we just picked this up in our local woodland, but you should be able to find some in your locality, maybe even on your lawn. So what I'm going to do is just cover some of the bare areas of earth and make it look more natural. Okay, so you can see what a difference the moss makes. It really brings the whole fairy garden together. You can also do little areas of gravel or small stones, depending on just what you have at home. Now, the fun part, just to add a few of the gorgeous accessories that come with the kit. Okay, so I'm going to pop a really cute little blossom bench here at the front. Okay, so you'll also find the lovely blossom table and chair set that comes with the kit. So there's plenty of outdoor seating for the fairies, which is ideal, of course, for social distancing. Next we have this gorgeous wishing stone with a lovely little message on it, so I'm going to pop that under the hyacinths here. So you can't have a fairy garden without a fairy, of course, so with the kit you get the lovely blue sapphire fairy, and I'm going to pop her just on the bench just down here. Remember, you can add some of your own accessories as well. It's quite nice to make some, perhaps some little twigs for fencing. You could also paint some more coloured stones to pop into the garden. And remember, all of these accessories can be reused, so later in the year if you want to change the plants, just take them out of the garden and start again, maybe with some summer bedding plants. I hope you've enjoyed this fairy garden kit video. It's been lots of fun. It's a great hobby to get into, especially perhaps if you're stuck at home at the moment. And remember, it's going to attract more fairies into your garden, which is pretty exciting. So thanks for watching and see you again soon. Bye bye.